We're back at the DXPR.com clients page, ready to dive into AI image generation using the DXPR Builder. First up, I'm going to add a new section. Following the pattern, this new section will require an image. So let's get started by adding a section for our new client, Apple. While we're in the process of generating a section, let me walk you through what happens next. When DXPR Builder generates new content that needs images, it automatically adds placeholder images. These placeholders come with instructions for regarding the type of image needed in the content without initiating the actual generation right away, as the process can be quite slow. Imagine creating a landing page filled with 10 or more images. You wouldn't want to wait for each one to generate before you can interact with the page. Instead, we use placeholder images that include a brief text description. This briefing can guide an AI image generator, or it can be utilized by a creative professional or creative team. Let's look at this image brief. Apple and DXPR collaborating on advanced content solutions. The text on the placeholder is also used as default for the Edit with AI image prompt text area. I will prompt something a bit more fun. Picture this: Tim Cook shaking hands with the CEO of DXPR in front of the shiny new high-tech office building of DXPR that has huge DXPR lettering on the facade. If only my MacBook could always spell our brand name correctly. Oh wait, it did this time. Perhaps it's just my articulation that is to blame. Anyway, I've chosen landscape orientation because we're consistently using wide images on this page. You also have options for auto, square, landscape, or portrait. Now, let's generate that image. Here's a fun tidbit. I initially considered leaving image generation out of the product altogether. I felt AI-generated images hadn't yet reached a quality level suitable for professional web content. There's a case to be made there, but it's clear that image generation is continually improving. Additionally, during our closed beta, users were disappointed when they found they couldn't generate images. I realized that generating images can be a fun and exciting way to get to know our new AI capabilities. And there you have it, an authentic photo of the CEOs of Apple and DXPR. That does not look like me. I'm clearly not as renowned as Tim Cook. So this is how you generate images with DXPR Builder. The images are stored as Drupal media, and in DXPR CMS, you can even edit them to make adjustments right inside your website.